Hello again, it's Lock Noob. We've got quite an interesting lock here. This clearly is an Old English style lever lock padlock. What's interesting about it is it was bought in the UK despite it being all the way from San Francisco and apparently being a legitimate antique, I guess. I mean, it looks legitimate. I don't think it's a reproduction. It could be, it's hard to tell. But there's nothing that screams out as fake about it. It looks like an old, sort of well-used padlock. It's kind of cool. It says property of Wells Fargo and Co. in San Francisco division. This is, or well, at least was, a company. Wells Fargo is still a company in America. It's a big financial institution. But Wells Fargo and Co. was founded as a financial services company in 1852, and it was merged with the Northwest Corporation to make Wells Fargo in 1998. So all I can say for sure is if this lock is a real, a vintage padlock, then it must be older than 1998, which it certainly looks that way, doesn't it? So it's a very interesting padlock indeed. It comes with a couple of keys, and if it is not a reproduction or anything like that, then it is sort of interesting in one way, because you don't see many lever locks in the US, not anymore at least. And these ones are piped keys as well, so you can see down there, they're called piped keys because, the keys are like pipes. There's an upstand in the lock there, which you can see, which and basically that together it centers the key on the lock, so the bitting can lift the levers to the right height. In terms of levers, I think it has 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's just a spacer, and then this is the bolt step. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 lever steps and a bolt step. So it appears to be a legitimate vintage, maybe antique, 4-lever padlock from the US, bought in the UK. If you know anything more about this padlock, then do let me know. So, picking it. So first of all, I'll lock it back up. There we go. And grab this vise and get it into a nice angle. Bit of light on. I think what we'll do is we'll go in with this tension tip, and this is from Mad Bob before they stopped trading. Same with this lever wire. I'm just going to slot that in, turn this round, and push this to the back. It's easy, for reasons I can't quite tell, to catch the last lever with this pick tip. So you've got to be sort of careful that you are tensioning on the bolt stump and not the levers themselves. So it's going to go in. So yeah, and there's nothing at the front at all. You see it just spinning. So that's where the spacer step on the key would be. And it's going to go in until I can find a, oh, see that? I only touched lever 1, and we're into, we move forwards a little bit there. 2, nothing on 2, 3, little movement. Just going to apply a bit more tension now. That was 4 towards the back, 3 again towards the front. So 1, 2, 3, moved again. It feels like we're walking up those levers. Nothing on 4. 1, 2, 3. Definitely walking 3 further up the bolt. So I'm thinking, there we go. Hit 2 and it, we are open. There we go. Look at this. To get the vise. So no false gates. The leaves themselves must have a bit of a curve on there, because even when a lever was binding, I'd move it up a little bit and you could see the bolt retract a little bit, but it wasn't going into the gate. Now it's all gone into the gate. It's hard to know what to say about this lock, really. Is it a reproduction? Is it real? It's kind of fun. It's definitely, even if it's a reproduction, it's no worse than a lot of Old English style padlocks out there. It's certainly a cool one. All I can really say is, if you know anything about this padlock or have any thoughts about it, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you like the video, please leave a like, and if you want to see more content like this, then please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel. Alright, I'll see you all next time.